Hey everyone, welcome back to Categories, your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets to financial success. Today we're launching a brand new series called Passive Income 101. In this first episode, we're answering an essential question. What is passive income, and why do you need it? This episode is packed with insights to transform how you think about money and help you take the first steps toward financial freedom. Whether you're new to the concept or looking to refine your strategies, this is the video for you. So grab a notebook, settle in, and let's get started. Let's begin with the basics. What exactly is passive income? In simple terms, passive income is money earned with little to no ongoing effort once the initial work or investment is in place. It's different from active income, where you trade your time for money. Think of hourly wages, salaries, or freelance work. Passive income flips the script. You do the work up front, and then your money or system continues generating income without constant effort. Let's break this down further. Passive income is not necessarily set it and forget it. Some streams might require occasional maintenance, but the key is that your income doesn't rely on actively trading your time for dollars. Examples include rental properties, dividend stocks, royalties, and even digital products like online courses. Once established, these streams generate income independently, freeing up your time for other pursuits. Now that we understand what passive income is, let's talk about why it's so important. And let me tell you, it's not just about money. Passive income is about freedom. Think about this. Most people spend 40 hours a week working, often for decades, just to cover their living expenses. Passive income changes that. It allows you to take back control of your time. Whether you want to travel the world, spend more time with your family, or simply reduce stress, passive income makes it possible. Here are some compelling reasons why passive income is a game changer. Financial stability. Relying solely on active income can be risky. If you lose your job or can't work, your income stops. Passive income acts as a financial safety net, breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. According to studies, more than 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. Passive income provides an opportunity to escape this cycle and build a secure financial future. Accelerated wealth building. With passive income streams, you can invest more and let compounding work its magic. Over time, your earnings snowball, creating a cycle of increasing wealth. Achieving financial freedom. Financial freedom isn't just about having money, it's about having choices. Passive income gives you the flexibility to live life on your terms. To inspire you, let's look at how some famous individuals have built their wealth through passive income. These examples prove that passive income isn't just for the wealthy, it's a strategy anyone can use. Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett built his fortune through investments in dividend-paying stocks. Dividends are payments made by companies to shareholders, and they're a classic example of passive income. Buffett reinvested his dividends to grow his wealth exponentially. His mantra: if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. J.K. Rowling. Rowling's Harry Potter series is a masterclass in earning royalties. Every time a book is sold, a movie is streamed, or merchandise is bought, she earns a percentage of the profits. Even decades after writing the first book, she continues to generate income from her work. Elon Musk. Elon Musk isn't just about rockets and electric cars. He's strategically invested in companies and technologies that generate passive income. For instance, his early stakes in PayPal and Tesla created streams of income that allowed him to pursue more ambitious projects. Kylie Jenner. Kylie leveraged her beauty brand, Kylie Cosmetics, to create residual income. After selling a majority stake in her company, she continues to profit from its success while focusing on other ventures. Now let's get practical. How can you build passive income? Here are some tried and true methods to consider. 1. Real estate investments. Real estate is one of the most popular ways to earn passive income. For example, owning rental properties can provide steady monthly income. Platforms like Airbnb also allow you to monetize a spare room or vacation property. And if managing properties feels overwhelming, you can invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs, to earn passive income without the hassle. 2. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend-paying stocks allows you to earn money while your portfolio grows in value. For instance, companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and Johnson & Johnson have a history of paying reliable dividends. You can start small, reinvest your dividends, and watch the power of compounding build your wealth. 3. Digital products. Creating ebooks, online courses, or digital templates is a fantastic way to generate passive income. Once these products are developed, they can be sold repeatedly without additional effort. Think about authors like Tim Ferriss, or creators on platforms like Udemy. 4. Affiliate marketing. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, affiliate marketing can be an excellent income stream. Promote products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral links. This method has been a cornerstone for many online entrepreneurs. 5. Royalties. Musicians, authors, and inventors often earn royalties from their work. For example, every time a song is played on Spotify, the artist earns a small royalty. This model rewards creators for their initial effort long after the work is done. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. It's a win-win. You earn passive income while supporting others. 7. Content creation. YouTube channels, podcasts, and blogs can generate income through ads, sponsorships, and subscriptions. While this requires effort up front, successful content can continue earning for years. Before we wrap up, let's debunk some myths about passive income. First, passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Building sustainable streams requires time, effort, and often an initial investment. Anyone who tells you otherwise is selling a fantasy. Another misconception is that you need a lot of money to start. That's not true. Many passive income streams, like writing an ebook or creating a blog, require more creativity and commitment than cash. The key is starting small and building momentum. If you're ready to start building passive income, here's a step-by-step guide. Assess your skills. What are you good at? Writing? Investing? Use your strengths to identify opportunities. Set clear goals. Decide how much passive income you want to earn and by when. Goals give you direction. Start small. Pick one stream and focus on it. You don't need to do everything at once. Reinvest earnings. Reinvest profits to grow your income faster. Stay consistent. Remember, passive income isn't instant. Keep putting in the work, and the results will follow. Passive income is your ticket to financial freedom. By starting today, you're setting yourself up for a future where your money works for you, not the other way around. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode in our Passive Income 101 series. In episode 2, we'll explore 5 passive income ideas you can start this week. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Until then, take what you've learned today and start brainstorming ways to incorporate passive income into your life. Remember, every small step you take today will bring you closer to financial freedom tomorrow. Thanks for tuning in to Categories. I'll see you next time.